First thing I want to touch on is the design of this computer. The lines, the backlit keyboard. I mean, visually, when you just look at this machine, it's absolutely gorgeous. Very well designed. Bezel is super thin. The screen just gets ridiculously bright. I don't know if you guys could see it from my video camera, but it's just blasting brightness. Beautiful computer to look at. We're going to tackle the boot time early in this video. This will be from power button to ready login screen. 13.8 seconds. Pretty fast. Second thing I want to look at is the camera, which is really clear on this computer. This is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Sharp. Now we'll tackle a good old speed test on Google Chrome. Just gonna do some random searches. Cooking. That was fast. Houses. Gee. Technology. Wow. Blazing. So we're on YouTube right now, and this is just a quick test to test out the graphics card of this computer. So let's take it to 4K. That didn't take long at all. Let's go full screen. Whoo! Minimize, maximize. This is a really good way to test the internal graphics card of any computer. Minimize and maximize while streaming 1080p or 4K. Look for lag, look for stutter. I don't see any. Other than the transition from full screen to default, this computer is not blinking. Wow. Let's get an idea for the sound. It's pretty loud. This is really loud for a laptop. Very impressive sound on this computer. This is just an idea of how bright the backlit keyboard can be in a dark room. Very easy to see. Let's see how quick commonly used apps like Microsoft Word will open. It took its sweet time a little bit, but I mean, once you're in, you're in. Let's try Excel. It does take a little bit of time. Obviously, once open and closed, you can jump back up quick. One more time for PowerPoint. Yeah, it does take a little bit of time to open up the Microsoft Office apps, that's for sure. Gotta say that the battery seems pretty strong. This is fresh out the box from 1:47 p.m. today, and I've been using it till now, which is 5:05, and I've got 52% from 87%. And I've been using it pretty heavily. I've been doing some tests, I've been running the screen at full brightness, just an idea to give you a good idea of how long the battery lasts. I mean, so far, it's impressive out the box. Haven't charged it yet, but can definitely tell that the battery's strong on this computer. Now, one thing that would have been really nice is if they gave you two USB Type-C ports on the right like they do here on the left. They give you two on the left, but there isn't any on the right. Would have been nice to have, but I mean, I guess it's not a deal breaker. One thing of note I wanted to mention is the charger that comes with this computer is really small. One of the smallest I think I've ever seen with a Mac laptop, and it comes with 2 USB Type-C charging ports, which is really convenient and portable. The cable, very good quality. I think it's nylon braided. Excellent quality accessories that come with this computer. There you have it. Powerful, practical, lightweight, incredible battery life. This M2 chip just really surprises me. I'm really actually shocked how incredible this computer is. Hope you guys found value. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for the support. Love you guys. Till the next one, stay safe out there, guys.